Here's a real one that I'm in right now of a break. Now, could this one fail? Yeah, for sure. These ones, the market's not 100% predictable. And we do have this algo line through here coming up there blocking Tesla, but it's upsloping, and I'm hoping we can continue to get a breakthrough through the top. But you have this amazing rip a long time ago on Tesla. And now we're just stalking this thing, hopefully for another leg up, or at least, something going on, some kind of breakout. This is the highest anchored VWAP from that point, and this is the most relevant algo line left. The rest are shallow and have been broken before, but this thing pulled back so much that it really needed to spend more time building support and higher lows. So you have this Tesla, you have this higher low, higher low, higher low, compression, 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 breakout candle on this day, where you're breaking through not only the highest anchored VWAP, but also the last downsloping algo line as well. Now, I jumped into it right away after this breakout through here because I saw that it broke out through the top, waited, and then just started showing monster relative strength and relative volume, and I might miss my chance because Tesla sometimes can just go crazy, FOMO. So I hopped into it right through here. This is my entry, and I held it, and now it fought a little bit through here, and it was still fighting on that upsloping line. And the reason why it didn't just hammer through as well is because the foothold was pretty low on it. The foothold was actually here, this upsloping algo line. The previous day's anchored VWAP started through here, and you can see that we broke below it and then broke through to the upside, but we didn't bounce off it until yesterday, where we actually bounced off it and found support. Now, could I flush and get totally torn apart? Yeah, 100%. But now we have this confirmation of support, and now hopefully we have the foothold through here. Tesla has less of a reason to pull back. The bid check is here, and now it should continue further up. And if you look at it through here on this page, then you can see that it's doing okay. It's not super weak, it's not super strong. You're gonna see a lot of elevated volume because of triple witching. Don't confuse that for institutional directionality or anything like that. That's an aberration. And the other thing that you're going to want to look for on these level tests, retests, opening range high breaks, whatever you want to call it, you're looking for relative volume and relative strength. But you should see this happen before you see your daily indicator show relative strength. You should see the relative strength show through here. If I'm looking on a lower time frame, I should be able to see it, bam, right through there happening. Now it's just kind of waiting and biding its time, but hopefully if we get a breakout through the top range through there, that'll work as well. So that's one in action right now. It could fail, but hopefully Tesla works. The reason why things were so tricky in the last couple days is because a lot of stocks just skipped and ripped right through and jumped, and they're way overextended, and there's no foothold below them because of all of the algo related FOMC reaction stuff. But typically, you can still use this process to find really good breakouts. And that's what I've been doing with a lot of my long-term longs. And that's why you'll see me just take a loss immediately, a day later, or right away that day. Or I'm just sitting on a position long term. SOC was another one. Now, SOC got a share offering on this day, but you can see this nice pop, downsloping algo line, break of it on this day and the SMA. I can use the bottom of that as my stop. I entered right through here because I got confirmation of the breakthrough that, and then it just completely ripped. Now, you got a share offering here, but that could have just been a scratch right through there. Or, take profits up there at 4 times profit. But all these breakouts are taken the exact same way.